Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Have you ever met somebody that was very successful, whether it was selling cars or whatever field they were in, and made the comment, they got lucky? They got lucky in life. They were in the right place at the right time. Well, do people get lucky in life? Absolutely. Are some people in the right place at the right time? Absolutely. But most people that get lucky or are in the right place at the right time are there because they worked hard to get there. They put forth the effort to get lucky. The harder you work, the greater your chances are of getting lucky. It's sort of like playing the lottery. If you don't play the lottery, you're not going to get lucky and win. If you buy a lottery ticket once a year, well, your odds of winning are very remote as if you bought a lottery ticket once a week. So the point I'm trying to make is this. Don't be afraid to work hard, and you will get lucky. And there's nothing wrong with getting lucky. You deserve to get lucky if you work hard. Always remember, it's not how hard you work, sometimes it's how smart you work. Combine hard work with smart work, and you will get lucky. And you'll be happy you did. Good luck, everyone.